We're back. We've shown you the query agent, we've shown you the transformation agent, and this time we're back with the latest Weaviate agent to join the party, the personalization agent. While individuals and their preferences may not be on top of mind of some search applications, in many cases it certainly is. Imagine you have a clothing brand and you want to make sure that the clothes that a certain individual would be most likely to enjoy appears at the top of your application for that user. Or if you have a lot of recipes and you would want to make sure that what they see on your website are recipes based on their likes or dislikes. And that's exactly where the personalization agent comes in. This new service is our first step in providing truly personalized ranking and search for end users, making use of both classical machine learning and large language models.
In this video, let's focus on one particular functionality of the personalization agent, where objects in a Weaviate collection are retrieved and ranked based on a user's profile that gives us some extra information about them that might be useful for our application, their past interactions with the entries in our collection, and optionally a custom instruction. Let's start with the user profile. Think of this as a useful set of characteristics about the user which changes less frequently, like the food they love, the food they hate, the cuisine they enjoy, etc. We define this by creating a persona for each individual we add to the agent. Here, for example, we're defining a persona that loves mangoes, hates shrimp, and is a fan of Thai cuisine. Next, we have interactions. Think of an interaction as a like or dislike button. The personalization agent comes with a new class called Persona Interaction, where each persona interaction indicates an individual user's weighted sentiment towards a particular object in our collection. This can be anything between -1 indicating negative sentiment to 1 indicating positive sentiment. On top of the persona, Weaviate will also continuously keep track of these persona interactions in a separate collection in the background. This way, the more the user interacts with your application, the more context the agent will have about them, the better recommendations it can make in the future. Once we have a persona and some interactions for them, we can ask the agent to return the most relevant objects for that individual. Now here's the cool part. If you don't want to use an LLM, the personalization agent also works with classic nearest vector search based on persona and interactions. But optionally and more interestingly, you can also ask for agent ranking. When asking for agent ranking, we can also provide an additional instruction to provide even more clarity to the agent as to what kind of ranking or recommendations we want our application to give to our users. The response we get from the agent not only includes the personalized rankings for the user, but also the rationale behind the ranking. All of this and more is covered in our latest recipe to help you get started. Sign up to Weaviate Cloud today to start previewing all the Weaviate agentic services, which are also available to free sandbox users.